Located in the heart of wholesale market in Lahore, Hafiz Brothers has been a reliable name in the market for over 3 decades. Established in 1990, we have built a reputation for providing high-quality hardware, abrasives, specially cutting and grinding discs, diamond tools, power tools, and welding materials. Our commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction has made us a preferred choice among businesses and professionals. Your trusted wholesale dealer in abrasives, hardware, and welding equipment.